So a lot of people use OBS. It's the first program I ever heard about when it came to streaming, and I've tried it a few times, but there's something about it that kind of intimidates me. But StreamLabs is set up in a way that's more enjoyable, to me at least. There's a lot of small icons to help you understand what each thing does, and as a visual person, it helps me a lot. Everything is straightforward, and I don't need to look up too many tutorials on how to figure it out. I had my follower goal on stream and tried out a browser source on stream. It wasn't that hard to figure out and was easy to add while live. It didn't take up a lot of time really or interrupt the stream that much. I honestly feel like I should be a little more descriptive, but honestly, I just like it. Something about how it's all set up. I don't know if it's the font they use or just where everything is placed, but I just vibe with it. I know OBS does a lot of the same functions, but when I used it, it was a little harder for me to figure out. Once I actually tried it, I realized it's not too bad, but there were a few things I couldn't figure out, so I just went back to StreamLabs after only about 3 streams with OBS. Maybe I was doing something wrong, but I just couldn't get my audio to split when recording my streams. In my art streams I play music, but I separate the audio so music doesn't show up in the recording. I was sure I was pressing all the right buttons in OBS to make it work, but it just didn't, so I gave up. So until further notice, StreamLabs is my buddy. If you want to see how simple it really is, I can make a video on it, so tell me if you'd like to see that in comments. I hope this helped you. Bye bye!